Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today menu is beef menudo. It's a Filipino dish. Two regular size of potato and two regular size of carrots and half pound of lean beef and chopped onion, chopped garlic and bell pepper and 1 cup of tomato sauce and nor beef cubes. And by the way, I boiled it for 1 hour. Since we already boiled the beef, we can put together also the potato and carrots. Then they will be cooked together. Just cover it in 20 minutes to cook the carrots and the potato, and then put this first, the beef cubes, and about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Measurement, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, one cup of tomato sauce, and about 1 cup or so of this water that I used to boil the beef. Cover it and let it cook within 20 minutes. Now it's done after 20 minutes of cooking the potato and carrots. Now it's ready to serve. Ready to serve. Yummy, delicious. Beef menudo with a steamed rice. Beef menudo. Thank you for watching. See you to my next video.